you'll notice there's a bunch of features on this Gauntlet. In the palm, right here, we've got an RFID chip. And the RFID chip will actually launch applications on Android. So if I place my hand right here, it automatically launches Facebook. So having identity in the palm of your hand is something that we thought was pretty convenient. In addition to that, we've added an app onto the Pebble watch face that we've created right here. So this is a scannable QR code. What we were looking at doing was figuring out, hey, how do we market the things that we're doing as well as create a platform for selling other things within the glove itself. So this is a QR code that is actually scannable by any cell phone with a scanning app. Beyond that, the fingers here, these are all touch-sensitive triggers, and they also work with touch screens. So a lot of times you might be wearing gloves, you'll be working with your cell phone, and the gloves won't actually read through the cell phone. So we've resolved that problem here. We've also got conductive cable that goes into a Raspberry Pi. Now this Raspberry Pi is connected to the iPhone over here, and the iPhone is connected to the Plantronics device that we've got here. So the product that we've created from the application standpoint is what we call, should we start this here? Yeah. All right. So we were banging our heads against the wall trying to figure out what was the application that we were going to create, and we decided to come up with a headbanging app, and so we call this Metalhead. Now, a lot of times when people are trying to learn how to play electric guitar, they will practice the riffs for the opening sequence of Smoke on the Water. So we hooked that up to the accelerometer here, and as I nod my head, is it ready?
Oh, we don't have the mic next.
Oh, yeah, here we go.
Can everybody hear that? Oh, yeah.
So we actually have three modes here. This first mode that we're looking at, this is called sequence. And what sequence does is it's designed to train the user what the sequence of notes should be. So each of these is a different chord. Each of these chords would be associated with a different finger that could be selected by the user. Now when we go into free jam is where you can play any chords that you want to. So if you wanted to take these 4 chords and create your own song, free jam is where you'd be able to do that. Now the third scenario that we've created is a game scenario. And within this, once you've learned what the appropriate sequence is of these chords, you can go into the game scenario and you can play back each of those sequences using the fingers on the Gauntlet. And if you play them correctly, you then get a crowd cheer. So those are the applications that we've created.
Still watching?
Yep. The Plantronics device, and we feel that this really captures and demonstrates some of the potential with this audio technology. So, thank you.